Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Temple Run game on your Android device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Google Play Store on your device, and once you open it up, just tap on the search button at the bottom right corner, and within the search box, just type in Temple Run and then start your search. Once you find the Temple Run game, go ahead and tap on it, and then tap on the install button. And now this will begin the download and installation of the Temple Run game on your device right away. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed. And when it is done, you will see the open button, which you can tap on in order to start enjoying the game right away. Once it is opened up, you can proceed forward with logging in to your existing account or signing up to create a new one in order to start playing. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Temple Run game on your Android device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.